Canada does not know what they're doing when it comes to Jordan's principle.
Indigenous leaders in Manitoba gathered on Friday to condemn Canada, what they say is a failure to implement Jordan's principle, citing funding delays, staff layoffs, and critical service gaps. Jordan's principle, established by the Canadian Human Rights Tribunal, was created to ensure First Nations children do not face gaps, delays, or denials in accessing government services. It was named after Jordan River Anderson, a young boy who died waiting for the government to agree on his care. And now the Assembly of Manitoba Chiefs says Indigenous Services Canada has left the program in shambles.
We are telling Canada right now to stop what you're doing, listen to our leadership and what we're saying today. We will create the guidelines surrounding Jordan's principle and how you will work for us, because it's not the other way around.
Canada's recent changes to Jordan's principle include barring funding for non-essential items unless deemed necessary to ensure equality. The federal government has reported funding was used for a number of non-urgent items, including private school tuition, vacations, elite sports, new homes, and vehicles. Leaders don't deny these purchases were made, but say it doesn't tell the whole story.
We were responsible with our funding, and when everything that we denied or that was questioned was referred back to ISCA, and they're the ones that approved those things.
Those were requests that we have emails that we are going to use as evidence against Health Canada.
First Nation leaders say with the feds now heightening controls over Jordan's principal funding, it is now creating a shortfall for education, social supports, and health care.
We were led to believe that this was something that we were allowed to spend money on, the infrastructure and the capital and all these other resources that were there.
In Winnipeg, Mitchell Ringos, City News.